camo thing. You know exactly what this means. By the way, I'm stacking these up and put them in little kits and all that. Small kits. Wow, they actually open up pretty easily. That's good. Because that saved me like 15 minutes trying to dig out the freaking knife I have in here. Let's see what I got. First one to see the, oh. Did I just get my word? Is that my word? Let's see. First we have, I'm gonna pull all these out. Okay, so yeah. Yay, I got something I wanted. Wow. Where's the other tip cord at? Jeez. Anyhow, first is the bypass cord. Good bypass cord is a fantastic tool to carry in your wallet. This tool is designed to quickly open many low security inferior doors by cording them, blah blah blah. That retails for $19.95. Yeah, this is something I've wanted for the longest. This is what it looks like. It's something I've actually wanted for a long time. Because I'm into, you know, SHTF. Like, okay, what if I had to get into a place to get to safety, right? There's a saw. There's a Kevlar saw wrap. A wool. That's pretty nice. Oh, I see how this works. Yeah. By the way, last month's like round out for February's subscriptions, I liked, especially SHTF. So yeah. Also, I will be testing out the hatchet or the axe or whatever I got in the Tyker survival kit, because one thing, I don't care if it breaks, because that handle, holy crap, that little round thing in the handle is so uncomfortable to hold. So yeah, that will be on this channel for that test. Second is the sewing roundabout for $14.95. You don't know how good this would be. Like, these would be for fishing. But yeah, it comes with 3 needles. All 3 looks like they're the easy to do ones. I don't know. A seam ripper. And 3 buttons. But yeah, okay, it's a sewing kit roundup coin tool is a small round tool with about the size of a $50. This coin size includes a complete fishing kit, just a thread. Fishing too, I guess. This tool can fit in many round containers and tins, although it will fit especially inside the blah 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 blah. It's a thing for Exotech. So they're saying you can use the seam ripper or the needles for hook. I know you can use the buttons for oh god, I can't think what it's called, for lure or something like that. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. This actually just came, actually, so, you know. Time to go over, go get it, and come back. So, yeah. Next, here's how they have it, by the way. They have it with the tip cords or, like, shown, but not the... Okay, so... Looks like cooking rabbit, which I'll give somebody. Because rabbit, if you're in a survival situation, don't eat much rabbit, because that could lead to protein poisoning, I believe. Because there are barely any protein in them. Okay, recipe, rabbit, bush cookie, spit roasted rabbit, grilled rabbit. Oh wait, I should just do the, you can do it at home. Wow, that's weird. Okay, at home cooking, slow roasted rabbit, rabbit stew. Which rabbit stew, I would add more meat to it, if I were you. Then the spit roasted rabbit and the grilled rabbit for the bush cooking. So yeah, pretty cool. Then we have something that's automatically going into my my fishing kit I have. And by the way, just to clarify, I have a fishing kit because of, in case I have to bug out or there's SHDF and I'm near water and I get hungry, I will catch a fish to eat. So yeah. That retails for $1.85. Now, that was tip card R4 cooking rabbit. It's a tip card FSH3 called fishing hooks. Yeah. Shows you how to use them, or how to make them anyway. That's supposed to be a tree. Called fishing hooks, I guess, from trees, I guess. Then a carved gorge hook. Oh, from bone, wow. So yeah, that also retails for $1.05. So this month, I'm happy. I'm really happy, actually, because, you know, this is something I saw and I'm like, I want this, you know? So yeah. I'm going to read about what this saw is for. I'm not going to bore y'all. Yeah. I'm about to wash my hair and then go to the gym. So yeah. Anyway. Peace. It's been Joe K's EC Knife. Peace.